Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Do you have any doubts on our crash batches? Don't worry, I am going to clarify all your doubts through this very short video. So came to know that some people are trying to create some doubts in the minds of the students with respect to our crash batches. Here are all the necessary clarifications. After watching this video, all your doubts will get clear. First of all, watch my old video on CA Inter crash batches in which I have clearly explained how we have decided to run our crash batch. That means I have clearly explained the academic program of our crash batch. I am leaving a link of that video in the description of this video. If you are interested, you can watch the same. All your doubts will get clarified by watching that video itself. If still you get doubts, then you can watch this video completely. Number of hours of teaching. So majority doubts are being raised on this issue. We have decided to offer coaching through Zoom platform, that is through online classes, and we have decided to offer 400 hours of coaching through online classes. Just like any other institution, it is not possible for us also to teach some unimportant chapters. We have to leave them. There is no other option. But what all other institutions are doing, they are finishing off the coaching in 250 hours. They are leaving even some important chapters also, and they are not giving full-fledged coaching to the students. But what we have decided is, why can't we offer full-fledged coaching as there is sufficient time? So what we have decided is, we have decided to offer 400 hours of coaching through online classes, and for 100 hours, that means the chapters which we are not going to teach, for all such chapters, we have decided to provide video lectures. That means 400 hours of online classes and 100 hours of video classes. Some people are misinterpreting that we have decided to offer 500 hours of coaching. No. Only 400 hours of online classes and 100 hours of video lectures. So we are providing video lectures for unimportant chapters. Majority students may not require to watch those videos, but if they require, they are available at your service. If you really need to watch, you can watch. We don't have any objection. So that means one way or the other, we are going to teach all the chapters even in this short period of time. Don't forget that even in our earlier crash batch, we have taught for around 500 hours. Even in this crash batch also, we are providing 500 hours of coaching. 400 hours through Zoom platform and 100 hours through video classes. How we planned our crash batches? So this shows our experience. Whatever the 18 years of experience we have, based on this we have designed these crash batches. We have decided to finish off the group 1 crash batch by January 15th and group 2 crash batch by January 20th. Because from January 21st onwards, group 1 exams are going to be conducted. Most probably from February 1st, group 2 classes will be conducted. Why we have fixed the above dates? We have decided to provide at least 1 week of time for the students to prepare completely for their examinations. That means we will finish off our coaching 1 week ahead of the public examinations. There might be 1 or 2 days of delay. First, we arrived at the number of working days that we get. So we are commencing a batch on November 30, and we need to end up group 1 crash batch by January 15th and group 2 crash batch by January 20. So we have ended up arriving at the working days. We have decided to conduct classes for half day on Sunday also. On Sunday, we will conduct the weekend exams in afternoon session for 2 to 3 hours. So for Sankranti festival, we will give holiday for 1 day only. Even for Dasara also, we have given a holiday for 1 day only. All our teaching and non-teaching staff have agreed for the same. We are proud of our team. In the above dates, we will comfortably get at least 40 working days. I am not expecting to get 50 working days. I am expecting to get only 40 working days. On each day, we will conduct classes for 11 hours. So we are comfortably getting 400 to 440 hour working hours. For group 2 crash batch, we will even get 50 more hours because we need to end up group 2 crash batch on January 20. There can be 5% deviation in these 400 hours of teaching. That means we have decided to teach for 400 hours. We may end up teaching 420 hours. The deviation is quite possible. After that, we have finalized the allotted hours for each chapter and have shared the same to all our students. I will show you our allotted hours document also. So once after arriving at the number of working days, here you can see targeted date to finish the syllabus. Based on that, we have arrived at the number of working hours, estimated number of working days, teaching hours per day, etc. All those calculations we have given. Accounting 104 hours, corporate law 80, corporate and other laws 88 hours, costing 82 hours, income tax 82, indirect taxes 41, total 400 hours. In this manner, we have arrived at the allotted hours of each subject. After that, we have finalized the allotted hours of each chapter. For few chapters, you can see allotted hours of 0. That means we are not going to teach that chapter through Zoom platform. Of course, we will provide video lectures for those chapters. Generally, all such chapters are unimportant chapters. And we can proudly say that our 18 years of experience helped us to finalize these allotted hours. And we have shared this document also to our student groups. After that, based on allotted hours, we have finalized the teaching order. Let me show you the document also. This is our teaching order document. After finalizing the allotted hours, we have finalized the tracks. For example, accounts will be taught by two faculty, Mahesh sir and Pranay sir. Mahesh sir will teach for 1.5 hours a day, Pranay sir will teach for 1 hour 15 minutes a day. So chapters that will not be taught. For these chapters, we will provide the video lectures. So we have finalized the teaching order also. Why? Based on this teaching order, our material department will prepare the material. Because we have decided to provide fresh materials for this batch. Completely new materials for all problematic subjects. And the completely updated 44th edition of materials for all theory subjects. So that students need not even prepare for the amendments materials also separately. Everything is inclusive in our 44th edition of latest materials. So that's why we may not be able to provide material of all the chapters at a time. Since we are preparing the materials one by one, that's why we have communicated our teaching order to our material department so that they can get ready with our materials. Based on that, I have finalized the list of materials document. So this document will also be provided to the students. By looking at this document, you can understand that we are providing latest and updated materials for all the subjects. So in this document consists of list of all the materials that we are going to provide for crash batch students. All these documents will be shared to the students openly. After that, based on allotted hours, we have finalized the materials. From the past 2 days, I am completely busy in finalizing the materials. We have decided to provide completely updated material for all the theory as well as problematic subjects. How we are going to conduct the exams on Sunday? Masterminds is very famous for conducting examinations. We give utmost importance to examinations. We believe that without writing examinations, enough number of exams, a student will not get enough practice to handle the public examinations. Since several students have already appeared for public exams of November 2020, by this time they might have realized without attending revision exams, it is like a hell to appear for public exams. On each Sunday, we will conduct exams on chapters completed in that week. Exam will be conducted for 2 to 3 hours in the afternoon session on Sunday. Exam will be conducted for all the students who take admission for all the subjects. That means students who join for subject-wise coaching, exams will not be conducted. We have even prepared a detailed document on how we will conduct the exams. It's a 14-page document. This is a detailed document which we will provide to the students on the first day of reporting to students, reporting to the classes. So this document is a detailed document on how we are going to conduct the exams. So it's a 14-page document. In this document, we have clearly given how question papers will be prepared, what is the syllabus for weekend exams, how exam will be conducted. We are going to even value the exam papers, and we will provide valuation report also. We will send marks SMS to the students. We will even give performance report also. All these things are going to be done. And we have conducted exams for crash batches students even in our earlier crash batches also. That means this is not the first time that we have decided to conduct exams for crash batch. We have even started preparing question papers for the exam. Since we have finalized the teaching order, based on that order, our examination cell is going to prepare the question papers also. Since it is a team, since we have a huge team, ours is not a coaching center, ours is a college. Since we have a huge team, our team is working, our examination cell team is working on the preparation of question papers also. In our organization, all the question papers will be prepared by the faculty directly. That means we are determined to conduct the exams. Everyone knows the importance of appearing for exams. So where is the time for students to prepare? In case of crash batch, we need to understand one basic fact that so several students will not be interested to listen to the classes of all the chapters. So every student feels few chapters to be very confident to them, and students will be inclined to skip those chapters. They will not attend those chapters and they will spend the time on preparation. If students feel that they don't want to listen to a particular chapter, they can skip that chapter and can focus on preparation. Since students are attending classes through online mode, it's very easy for them to do this. Same is the case with respect to 100 hours of video lectures. We are providing video lectures for 100 hours, but I'm sure that majority number of students does not need to watch videos of 100 hours because majority of them are unimportant chapters. They can skip, but still if they want, we are giving an option, whereas other institutions are directly skipping them. But we, instead of skipping them, since we have enough time, we have decided to provide video lectures. The students need to sacrifice their festival and holidays. It's up to them. We are openly saying that we are not going to give more than 1 day holiday for Sankranti. So it's up to you to decide. If you want more holidays for Sankranti, you better don't join in Masterminds. You better join in some other institution where they don't take the thing seriously. In our institution, we take the thing seriously. We give utmost respect to the students and we give best quality to the students. All this planning will indicate the quality of work that we do. When did we announce about pre-results crash batches? So on September 21st, we have provided a document to all the students called upcoming services. This was released to students on September 21st. This was already shared to all the students. In that document itself, we have stated that we are going to conduct pre-results crash batches. And this is not the first time that we are conducting pre-results crash batch. For every attempt, we will conduct pre-results and post-results crash batches. This is not the new thing for us. I'm not interested to make any negative comments on people who made a very cheap, filthy and derogatory comments on me. That shows how our parents have grown us. So I don't want to do anything which will bring bad repute to our parents. So I'm very proud and lucky that both of my parents are alive and I'm answerable to them. I may disappoint our supporters in this aspect because they might be expecting me to make derogatory comments on the people who have made derogatory comments on me. I'm not interested to enter into that kind of spat. No, I'm not at all interested. For me, top priority is my students. I need to take care of students well. I need to make arrangements for the materials. I need to make arrangements for the classes. So we are getting wonderful response for our revision exams. We need to take care of study hours. We need to take care of revision exams. We need to take care of question papers. We need to take care of materials. There are several aspects we need to take care. Then why should I unnecessarily waste my time in these unnecessary arguments? I don't want to make any negative comments on anyone. So someone has questioned me, does I really have brain in designing these crash batches? I have designed these crash batches based on my 18 years of experience. I think after watching this video, everyone will clearly understand whether they really have proper brain or not. And you can also understand whether the person who has made a negative comment on me, does he really have brain or not? Several institutions which run on commercial lines have decided not to offer coaching for Group 1 as the numbers will be less for Group 1. But we have decided to offer coaching for Group 1. For us, numbers are not important. Service to students is more important. We are able to design these crash batches coaching out of our expertise and experience. If you don't have proper experience, automatically you will end up in poor planning. But we don't have any such issues. We have wonderful experience of 18 years in running the organization. So that's why we have designed a wonderful academic program for our crash batches. Please don't underestimate the importance of experience. I think just by watching this video, you might have got enough clarity on various doubts being raised on our crash batches. If you still have any doubts, you can contact me at any point of time. So my mobile number is 92487 I repeat, 92487 and you can contact me on this number. You can always send a message to me or even make a call to me and I will love to reply the same. All the best.